Today we see which one's better, AR versus the AK. Now the AR has very finicky flip-up sights. Very finicky, too many adjustments. All while the AK has a simple ladder sight, easy to adjust. The AR is confusing to new shooters and have too many buttons to do things. Too confusing. And the AK has one lever. The AR requires a complex loading device, and the AK only requires a thumb. The AR keeps the operator distracted and you can't hit shit with it. The AK will hit everything and destroy it. Now the AK is basically a battlefield death machine, because even the AK knows that you're going to win. Thank you for watching, but in all seriousness, each rifle has its own purpose. Please like the video. And it has a slightly more confusing little brother. And if you want to see cool shit, follow me on Instagram at BuiltFedOps. If you've been